People keep asking me how I'm closing so many luxury deals without working 60-hour weeks. I tried every real estate CRM, and this shocked me. Most agents think they need the most expensive system to close luxury deals, but I discovered something that changes everything. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why 90% of agents are wasting money on the wrong tools. So here's what happened. I spent 6 months testing 12 different CRMs, from Salesforce to HubSpot to all the fancy real estate-specific ones. I'm talking about systems that cost $300, $500, even $1,000 a month. I was losing high-end leads left and right, working 60-hour weeks, and my conversion rate was terrible. I had a $3.2 million listing that should have been a slam dunk. Perfect property, motivated seller, tons of interest. But I watched qualified buyers slip through my fingers because my follow-up was all wrong. That's when I realized I was fighting the wrong battle entirely. But then I found something crazy. The problem isn't which CRM you choose. The problem is that 90% of real estate professionals are using these systems completely wrong for luxury clients. See, I started tracking everything. Every interaction, every email, every phone call with clients across different price ranges. And what I discovered blew my mind. Most CRMs treat a $100,000 condo buyer exactly the same as a $2 million estate buyer. But luxury clients have totally different buying patterns. They take 6 to 8 months to decide. They research everything. They have multiple properties they're considering, and they expect you to know their timeline without them telling you. Here's a real example. I had a client looking at a $1.8 million home. My old system sent her the same checking-in email I'd send to any buyer. She ghosted me for 3 weeks. Turns out she was annoyed because she expected market insights and property comparisons, not generic follow-ups. Before we dive in, if you want to take your real estate career to the next level, make sure after this video ends, go watch the video linked in the description below. But here's the wild part. I found that agents using basic CRMs with smart AI follow-up systems were closing 40% more luxury deals than agents with expensive systems but no automation. I'm talking about agents using $50 a month systems, but with intelligent automation that understood timing and context. Meanwhile, agents with $800 a month enterprise CRMs were still manually tracking everything and missing critical follow-up windows. Think about it like this. It's like having a Ferrari engine in a bicycle frame versus having a smart racing team with a regular car. The team wins every time. Let me break down the numbers for you. Traditional expensive CRM users, 18% conversion rate on luxury leads. Basic CRM with smart automation, 25% conversion rate. The difference? An extra $300,000 in commissions per year for the average luxury agent. The top luxury agents aren't using better CRMs. They're using smarter follow-up systems that understand when to contact premium clients and exactly what to say. For instance, luxury buyers research differently. They spend 73% more time online before contacting an agent. They visit properties an average of 4.2 times before making offers. And they make decisions based on market timing, not just the property itself. So when your system knows that a luxury client viewed 3 properties in the same neighborhood, it shouldn't send them another property listing. It should send them a neighborhood market analysis showing appreciation trends and upcoming developments that might affect values. Here's what changed my business. I started using AI that could identify buying signals I was missing. Like when a client viewed the same property listing 7 times in 2 weeks. That's not casual browsing. That's serious interest that needs immediate but sophisticated follow-up. So here's my advice. Don't buy the most expensive CRM. Instead, focus on getting an AI system that knows luxury buying patterns and can follow up at exactly the right moments. Here's what your system needs to track for luxury clients. 1. Research intensity. How much time they're spending on your listings. 2. Decision timeline. Luxury buyers have longer cycles, but specific trigger points. 3. Communication preferences. Some want detailed market reports, others want exclusive previews. 4. Referral networks. Luxury clients often come through other wealthy contacts. The system I use now automatically segments my leads based on price range and buying behavior. A first-time buyer gets educational content about the process. A luxury buyer gets market intelligence and exclusive opportunities. Let me give you 3 real examples from my business. Example 1. Client looking at $2.3 million properties. Old system. Generic how's your search going? New system. New listing came on market in your preferred neighborhood. It's 15% under market value due to estate sale. Viewing available before it hits MLS. Result: closed in 30 days. Example 2. Luxury seller, worried about market timing. Old system, weekly market updates for everyone. New system, personalized analysis showing how similar properties performed, with specific recommendations for pricing and timing. Result: sold for 8% over asking. Example 3. High net worth client browsing casually. Old system, monthly check-ins. New system, quarterly market outlook reports with exclusive investment opportunities. Result: 3 referrals worth $1.2 million in commissions. Because here's the truth. Your wealthy clients don't want random check-ins. They want valuable insights delivered at the perfect time. And that's something only smart automation can do consistently. Luxury clients are buying more than a house. They're making an investment decision, a lifestyle choice, and often a legacy play for their family. Your communication needs to acknowledge that complexity. The biggest mistake agents make is thinking luxury clients want more attention. They actually want better attention. They want you to understand their goals and only contact them when you have something genuinely valuable to share. Here's exactly how to set this up in your business. Week 1. Audit your current leads. Separate them by price point and buying behavior. Week 2. Research AI tools that integrate with your current CRM. Look for ones that can track website behavior and automate intelligent follow-up. Week 3. Set up different communication tracks for different client types. Luxury clients get market intelligence. First-time buyers get education. Investors get opportunity alerts. Week 4. Test everything with a small group of leads. Measure response rates and engagement. The key is to start small and scale what works. Don't try to automate everything at once. Here are the biggest mistakes I see agents making. 1. Over-automating. Luxury clients can smell generic automation from a mile away. 2. Under-personalizing. Your system should make you more personal, not less. 3. Ignoring data. If clients aren't responding to your automated sequences, adjust them. 4. Forgetting the human touch. Automation should enhance your relationships, not replace them. Here's what's coming. AI is going to make the gap between smart agents and traditional agents even wider. Agents who learn to use these tools now will dominate their markets. Those who don't will struggle to compete. We're already seeing agents use AI to predict which clients are most likely to buy, when they'll buy, and what messaging will convert them. The technology exists today. The question is whether you'll use it. The question is, will you keep working harder with the wrong tools? Or will you start working smarter with systems that actually understand luxury sales? If you want to take your real estate career to the next level, make sure to watch the next video on your screen or linked in the description below for a better explanation. Remember, it's not about having the most expensive tools. It's about having the smartest systems. And now you know the difference.